Last year, I, along with my family members, went to a shop to buy some clothes. And what I saw over there was really shocking for me. And you know why? Because the guy who was attending me was one of my student from previous batch of BBA. Well, I'm not saying that any job is big or small. I'm just saying that he was one of the bright students of the batch. And he was so ambitious and used to share his dreams with us. And he always wanted to work with the corporate sector. And when as a teacher or mentor you see your student in such condition, it's really painful. So I wanted to know what happened, what went wrong with him. And then I had a word with him. And you know, students, what was the main reason? The main reason was that he could not clear even a single interview he attended. And it was not that he was a poor student, he was a bright student, but he lacked English language skills. And because of this, he got rejected every single time. Because interviewers focus on your command over English language skills. Well, I must share a fact with you guys that in any organization, any big organization, communication takes place in English language only. It's a global language, it's a business language, so now you don't have any choice. And he was not the last student I met. After that, I have come across several other students who have similar stories, struggles, sacrifices, and rejection in their life. Well, I have been teaching English for the last 6 years. And every time when I interact with new students, I observe the same problem. That majority of you struggle with your English language skills. And the syllabus pattern is such that does not allow me to work on your English language skills. And I'm always entangled with some other trivial elements of communication. And this is really heartbreaking for me because I know the importance of English, not just in your professional, but in your social life also. But you guys are complacent and do not acquire these skills, and later on you find it very difficult to grow in all aspects of your life. And so ever since I was hankering to do something for you guys, and that is why I have come up with my time-tested method of teaching English. Within 4 months, you will be completely a different person. Because I won't be just working on your English language skills, but on your overall personality. And even you will realize the difference, the drastic changes in yourself. So if you are interested in exploring and opening up the other dimensions of your life, do join the classes. Well, the classes is going to be started from 15th of December 2020. Registration process has already started from today itself, and the last date for registration is 30th of November. So for any further query, you can contact me directly. My contact details are mentioned over here. So hope to see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.